Hi, it's Skillbyte here. And if you saw my video on installing the AutoOne LED reverse lights on a CX-9, you may have heard me say that I was going to have to get some for my Miata. I did. Yeah, liked so much that I've got some for my Miata. And this video is going to be unboxing it, installing them, and showing you the difference between the stock incandescent lights and these bright LED ones from AutoOne. So the reverse lights, the backup light bulb for your ND Miata is the W21W/7443/7440. And obviously white for reverse, so you can actually see. Pop this thing open. And there's your LED bulbs. Don't want to touch them with oily hands. As you can see, they've got 5 little LED panels on the top and a bunch around the sides and some vents for heat. Let's go install them. So you can see this. I've taken the wheel off, and on the passenger side, all you have to do is reach up from underneath, but you're gonna turn it like a quarter turn counterclockwise. That's going to let you pull the socket out with the bulb. Then with a glove, so you don't get oils on it, you want to pull the bulb out of the socket. Now you're going to get your new bulb. And you just plug it in. Make sure it's fully seated. Slide it back in the hole. Turn it clockwise, quarter turn, and it'll stop. And that's all there is to it. Now you just got to do the other side. Not exactly dark outside, but I bet you can still tell the difference. Especially move down here. Much brighter, much whiter. All right, now we're on the driver's side. It's exactly the same process. Turn it counterclockwise, about a quarter turn. Well, it's 1/8 of a turn. Pull it out. Don't touch the bulb. Pull the bulb straight out. The new bulb. Just plug it all the way in. Don't touch it with your hands. Back in the hole, line it up, turn it clockwise, about 1/8 of a turn, and that'll seat it. Done. I didn't even take the tire off that time. So hopefully this video shows you how much brighter these AutoOne LED bulbs are. I definitely recommend them. There is a link in the description. And if this was helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your purchasing decision.